Ideas with me, Fancy Nancy, and today I want to talk about some simple ideas that you can do while we are all home quarantining and just staying home and staying safe during this coronavirus. So I wrote down a simple list that I think are some fun ideas, and they're on my bucket list, some of them to still do. So I just wanted to share some with you. So you know, on your iPhone and how you take pictures and they're like unorganized and they're all over the place. And so I figured during this time, it takes a really long time to make folders and organize your pictures. And so now could be a time where you could go through your pictures and organize them in folders, so you have them ready whenever you need to pull them up for anything specific. Like, you know, I could do a folder of Cairo and interior design and addresses or whatever your specific needs are for your folders. But that's something that's time consuming and you could do while you're home. Another thing is to create any kind of photo books that you may need to create, you know, that you haven't done yet. So like, for example, I would do like a wedding book, since I just got back my wedding photos, and I could create a wedding book. So that's on my bucket list to do. Also, since Cairo just turned 1, I have not had a chance to do his baby book, and during this quarantine time, I sat down and I completed his baby book. So I'm very proud of that, and I'm glad that I got it done and it's ready to go. So we'll have that with all his memories and phases of pictures and things that he did at the different stages. Another thing, of course, around the house ideas are, you know, to declutter stuff, get your drawers organized, cabinets, pantries, all those things, get them organized, you know, find ways to create space. So like in drawers, instead of folding your kitchen towels flat, you can roll them and keep them organized in your drawers. Just simple things like that to create organization and have a way to keep yourself busy. Some other things I have are to get a cookbook and start writing down recipes. I know for me, I am not a baker, but during this time I have been baking things here and there that I see on Instagram and people posting, and so I've actually enjoyed it. So getting a cookbook and start writing down your recipes that you really like, or maybe asking your mom or any kind of family member any types of recipes that have been passed down, so you can start creating this book and then you know, have it to pass down to your kids one day. But it's something that you can start creating now that's simple. For date nights, because it's still important even though you cannot leave the house or shouldn't. You know, select movies, board games, anything like that you guys like to do together. Paint, take up a new hobby together, those kind of things. Cook together, so kind of like a cooking class that you can do together. Just simple little things while you're in the home. And another thing I want to talk about is how important it is to support local businesses. And so that's really important just because they're all struggling. And so I wanted to highlight one of my friends. Her name is Bridget. She's amazing. Her business is called Raw and Smoke, and it is a catering company, and they have some amazing foods and barbecues and smoked meats and those kind of things. So I'm going to post her flyer at the end of this video so you guys can see and order from her. And if you're having any parties or anything coming up, it's a great place to order as well. So these are just my ideas to do while you're home and staying safe, and I just wanted to share those with you, and I'd love to hear your ideas. So if you could comment and let me know what you guys are doing and give me some new ideas to add to my list, I would greatly appreciate it. And I hope everyone is staying safe and enjoying time with their families, and remember to live just fancy. See you guys next Friday.